Hello, um, good good morning. My name is Ronald. At this moment, I will be doing the oral presentation of English Level 2. First, I will talk about introduce myself. After talk about my trip experience in Popayan, then the weather in Popayan, and to finish recommendation or tips in you go to Popayan. Let's start. This is me. The photography location in the left. This is me. My name is Ronald Rodriguez. This was born in Bogota and also live in Bogota. I am an analyst from the southern zone of Colombia in Manfred. I am married. I with my wife and my 2 children. I liked electronic music and playing soccer. We continue with my trip experience in Popayan. Stage 1. Talk about my trip experience in Popayan. In the month of November, I traveled to Popayan for my work. It was the first occasion I visited. I liked it a lot because it is a very beautiful city with colonial style. The hotel also has a very nice colonial style. It's a very quiet city. I hope to visit in the other years and have more time since I was only 2 days. Stage 2. We continue stage 2, the weather in Popayan. The weather for the month of November is very rainy. I recommend bringing an umbrella. Stage 3. Recommendation or tips if you travel to Popayan. First, staying in the best hotel in Popayan. The name in the hotel is Dan Monastery. Now the best landscape. I also recommended visiting the main park of Popayan. It is very beautiful. Stage 3. What you should do if you plan to go to Popayan? You can visit the main park and visit the Coin Museum, and you can walk around the city since it is very quiet and there is not much crime. There are several alternatives to it according to the budget you have, and since that's why they call it the White City. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.